How to make YouTube short with Canva step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to create YouTube shorts using Canva. If you want fast scrolling stopping videos for YouTube without editing software, this tutorial is for you. So let's not waste any more time and just jump into the video making. So first of all, you need to go to canva.com and then click create a design. As I have a account previously signed in, so I'll just go to create a design and then search for YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts, and the aspect ratio should be 1080 into 920. So I'll click on that. This opens up the mobile side video editor. Shorts are vertical and under 60 seconds. Canva has the templates sized and animated exactly for that format. So I've selected the aspect ratio and let me select the templates for now. So we can see here many templates: exploring Seoul, beautiful sunset. We just have to select the template which will match perfectly with our content. So let me choose one, and it should be simple and audience friendly. This phone, it will work if I work with some review videos or suggesting some phones or devices or anything. So we also got some pro templates. We will not use them. It can be used for daily vlogs and all. Better say street bakery. So now let's select a template. I'll be selecting this one. No, this one, because I think it can match my content. Let's select multiple. Select multiple. Let's select multiple. Will have better content and be making. Let me select another one. Now it's selected. So now let me upload my clip. Here I already uploaded some clip. So let's get it here. I'll add 7 seconds. So I'll add this one here. Balance the sound and aspect ratio should match here. Yes. So I will add other clips accordingly. Let me keep the volume 0 and add clip here. Okay. Just adjust the frame and all. Okay. Now I will add another, click here. I'll mute the sound as always and just adjust the frame. Just okay. Just to the full length. And as you can see, if I play, I should remove the audio. The sound volume should be balanced. Now I'll select all clips and I'll mute all the volumes. If I play now, it will not play any volumes and all. Okay, it's done. So now, as you can see, we can add some captions here like Metro Live, and we can also change the font like handwriting. This one, or this one. I will go with the simple one that can be readable. Like these are all complicated. Let's choose another one, more sugar, like this. It's looking good. I'll just add some there. I can also change the font color like this. This, this. I will make it brighter, so it will look better by that. And if I play this, it's playing. Now I can show here add page or add transition. So I'll add some transition here, like dissolve, slides, circle wipe, color wipe, line wipe, that whatever you like. I'll select watch and move. I can do that also with the next clip. And I'll add transition like flow, color wipe, line wipe. I'll use line wipe here. And on the next clip, I'll just remove this because I don't have any other clips here. So let's play and see how it looks like. So I have to remove the sound again. Okay. And I also have to remove the sound from here, right? Yes. I need to remove the sound. Okay. And I can also add sound here, like audio or AI voice. Okay. Let's search for some there's some copyright free thing like this. Let me hear it. Okay. Let's add it here. Okay. So, okay. We need to remove the sound. Something, even. Okay. We can add or stretch the sound from the beginning and just play it now. As you can see, the music is being played. Okay, now let me please the frame little. You can see. Okay, my short is almost ready. I just need to add a page and make an outro for my short. You can also do that by going to Magic Media and on the videos and just describe what you'd like to create. Let me give you a prompt for me, like make a outro, okay, simple outro on a video, uh, show, showing Metro Live. Just grab a popcorn, a brand new video inspired by your scene is being generated. It should be ready in 2 minutes. Let's just wait while it's getting generated. You can also add audio or voiceover. As you've seen, I have already input a audio and I can also add a voiceover by describing the content I'm showing the audience. And for that, you can click apps, text to speech for AI voice or upload your voice recording. You can also use Canva music tab for background tracks. And just adjust volume levels, keep voice loudest, music at 10 to 15%. Record voiceover outside Canva and drag it in. As you can see, my AI video is being generated. So it has made me a cloud as I have inputted the prompt like make a simple outro on a video showing Metro Live, clouds and all. When you give proper prompt, it will give you accordingly. So I'll use this one. It just gave me, and I can use some captions here as it's a simple one. I'll just add text. Like I can use text that will animate. I'll use okay, I'll use text like just add a subheading saying thanks for watching. You can also say subscribe for more videos, and I can change the font. The font I want to change. Okay, now I can make it big, and I can also add some elements here like subscribe button and like button. You can search for anything here, or you can also generate a emoji or any kind of elements and add here. And you can also add transition here. I'll just add this transition here, and my video is ready, and I'll just now give it to export, like share and download, and I'll download MP4, of course. Select pages 1 to 4. I can select 1 to 2, or I can also select 1, 2, and 4. I can do that. I can also select just like 1 and 4. So I check on done and download the MP4. So you can also upload your YouTube, adding hashtag shorts in the title or description. And that's how you make a professional YouTube short using Canva in 2025. No editing tools, no camera gear required. You now have everything you need to start creating content that's fast, clickable, and scroll worthy. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a short strategy breakdown or Canva script generator tutorial next. Till the next video.